Did your little get an 18-inch doll for Christmas? Sew this easy, cute skirt for their little friend. First, iron your fabric. For the main fabric, cut a rectangle 22 by 6 inches. For the accent fabric, do 2.5 by 22 inches. Take the accent fabric and fold it in half lengthways and press. With the main fabric right side up, match up your raw edges. Secure with pins or clips. Sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Make sure to backstitch at the beginning and end. Go back and do a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying. Next, press your fabric flat. Next, on the top of the main fabric, fold it 1/4 inch and press all the way down. Then measure 1/2 inch and fold and press. Once again, do this all the way down. Now sew really close to the edge. This is going to form a channel. Cut 10 inches of 1/4 inch elastic. It will vary depending on your doll type. Attach a safety pin to the end of the elastic and pull it through the channel. When the end of the elastic is almost even with the fabric, use your sewing machine to tack it down. Continue to feed the elastic through the channel and then tack it at the other end. Trim any excess elastic. With right sides together, sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance, backstitching at the beginning and the end. Turn it right side out and you have this cute skirt. For all your sewing needs, come visit us at sewingpartsonline.com.